Hello, Ego family. It's Mother Ego here. How is everybody doing? I was thinking about something this morning and I realized we should never give up on any revealed truth. I know through life, you get ideas of things to do, how to be, how to live your life. But along the way, life happens, circumstances happen, and you feel like giving up. But I wanted to encourage you today that that is not an option. Remember why you're here. Remember why you were excited about life at some point. Remember the people who are relying on you to be your best so that they can find a way to become their best. Remember that we all stand on shoulders of giants, meaning that you are a giant to someone, that at some point they'll stand on the things you'll achieve through life so they can have a headway in life, whether it's your kids, whether it's your society. Because we do get wonderful visions, and sometimes the implementation will demand a lot of strength, a lot of resources, commitment. It will demand footwork. It will demand us not only having the talk, but actually putting actions to everything we've thought, seen, and heard, So let us not give up on all the revealed truths that lie in our hearts, on all those truths that we've seen with our mind's eye. Let us put one step in front of another, even when you may not see the results right away, even when the environment contradicts what you see. Keep stepping one foot in front of the other, and at some point, sooner than you think, a new day will be here. A new day where we can see what you've been working on for the longest time. So I encourage you, keep excited, keep doing what you do, and the future is all yours. There is a perfect plan in everything we do. All our life has already been predestined. Basically, our book has already been written, but we just have to act out all the chapters through this life. As always, go and win your egos. Remember, it's Mother Ego here. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.